Ethereum price here, I also think that so for Tuesday into Wednesday, the 21st to the 22nd, and I'm speaking on New York time, between now and Wednesday at 9 a.m., I don't see Ethereum going over this green line, and I don't see Ethereum going under this green line. So not over and not under that. I think it's going to play here. Could it touch both, or could it touch one? Yes, but between now and market open, I don't really see it going much below $1,100. It could wick below, but I don't see it going much below there. And before market open tomorrow, 9:30 a.m. New York time on Wednesday the 22nd, I could see this. I don't see it going over 1140. And you would want to look at my Bitcoin video, what I think for the rest of the week. But in summary, the rest of the week, my Bitcoin target of 22.8, the highest I could see it going, that would be Ethereum about right here. And the 20 says that would actually be tomorrow. Well, let me make sure that matches up. So that'd be 10%. That is about the same. Okay, that works. That actually works really well. So yeah, the top of this horizontal. So this is a weekly horizontal. Essentially, if you look left 4.5 years, you have weekly wicks and candle bodies at both of these. It's a very powerful area. So if Bitcoin were to hit my upper target, Ethereum would be right almost exactly, at this horizontal. So I can just give one number, around 1230 is about the highest I can see Ethereum this Friday. And essentially all I'm going to do to determine what type of edge do I have for a short or for a long is, this is a different range here. So this is a double or triple, this is a triple decker. So this is the line which separates this range from that range. It's a totally different ranges. So I'm just gonna, every time it goes up to this line, I'm gonna be short. Even if I think Bitcoin's getting ready to spike up, it doesn't matter. I trade it until it doesn't work. I've missed out on so much money not following that rule, thinking, oh, but Bitcoin's too bullish for this, it's going to keep breaking up, and then it just comes right back down. You just do it until it doesn't work and use risk management. So so Ethereum is a lot easier to read for me. It's a lot easier. Way, way, way easier. But the one time it doesn't work and I use risk management to get stopped out at a certain price, well, I know that the next big obstacle up there is 1230. So of course, sometimes the trade won't go your way, and I'm expecting one of these times it doesn't, but I will play it until it doesn't work. It's literally that simple. And the bottom of this, so the top of this horizontal, you might want to put this on your chart, folks, 1230 to 1160. Let me label this 1160 to 1230. You need that on your chart. I promise you, it's going to come and play. Well, unless things just go straight down, which could happen as well. But if price doesn't go straight down, I did something wrong. Yeah, 1230. Dirt to dirt. Yeah, if Bitcoin wants to float up this week, this section will come into play. Each of those numbers specifically will have a strong chance of coming into play. And so you might as well have the horizontal with the low end at 1160, the high end at 1230. And then if you want to try to, not make the same channels that I have here, so that like perfectly map out price, essentially. It's almost like a cheat code. But anyway, I didn't just delete that. Okay, good. So it's a triple decker. Ethereum's been going a lot more sideways than Bitcoin, which makes me think that Ethereum dominance might be trying to bounce on Bitcoin. Let's see here. Yeah, so if that makes sense. With Ethereum going more sideways, Ethereum has to be making a bounce on Bitcoin. So this is ETH versus BTC, which makes sense. There's been a lot more structural sideways action on Ethereum. But if you want to try drawing this line here, one way to do it is zoom into the 5-minute chart, and the top of the line, essentially on the 5-minute chart, the biggest move that we got, I would connect not the ultimate low, but the one before it, that wick, right? I would connect that to where the big candle takes off. So the wick of that candle, the big one that takes off, right, today on the 5-minute chart, so connect that wick to not the low, but the one before that wick, and you'll have the same line as I am. And then you can extend it, then you can extend it. And anytime Ethereum goes up there, just extend it 5 days. And it's likely to get rejected from there until it doesn't. And I know that sounds stupid. And, you know, some of the people who I might consider mentor that I grew up watching on YouTube, one person in particular, you know, I never understood it. It works until it doesn't. It sounds so dumb, but it's true. It's so true. And if you don't, so here's the application of that. There have been a few times where I see Ethereum, like you just saw, like near the top of the channel, and it's peeking its head up, and you know, and Bitcoin just looks too bullish. I like, man, Bitcoin looks like it's going to go higher, but Ethereum's right there, and I'm like, no, I'm not going to take this short. I'm scared. And what happened? It would have been my best trade of the week. And so the opportunity cost of not understanding that phrase is massive. It will work until it doesn't. Like, it's mind-blowing once you understand it. It really is. I promise. But I didn't get it right away. So I don't, hopefully I might be explaining it better than what I heard it and showing you exact implications of it. That means I almost waited for this up here to short per my alert, but I let them know, hey, you know what? I'm taking this now from this range, and I did, and I got a good trade out of it until I messed things up at the end. But it got me up for the day. Without having taken that, I would have been down for the day, right? And so my current futures account, just so you all know, I'm not feeding you a bunch of crap, is I brought it all the way down to under 21.3. Dang it, I was at 21.8 something. I saw at 21.9. Man, I almost took out 22K. Son of a gun. Oh well, that's fine. I was up $300 today. I'm cool with that. I'm not gonna bitch too much more. And yeah, so this is a little, just note here though, that my thoughts on Ethereum, they might contradict a little bit of what my analysis is for Bitcoin, but that trading is a little different than TA. I'm going to follow the rules on Ethereum. If I feel convinced that Bitcoin's going to go up, but Ethereum's right there, I mean, maybe I could short Ethereum and long Bitcoin at the same time, just sit, stop, see which one wins. I don't know. I could do that, but I need to follow those rules until it doesn't work. And so that is what we got for Ethereum. Hopefully that was helpful. And I hopefully showed you how to draw that, at least with the top channel line very specifically. And that was on the 5-minute chart. Feel free to rewind that part. And I am recording the standalone, so I'll upload Ethereum analysis after this if you want to rewatch it.